the kind of imposition of new technologies in places that really have a strong impact on our well-being. I'll give you a historical example, actually. Roller coasters, right, which were a major feature of turn of the century amusement parks, were themselves based on the kind of industrial technologies of the age, right? They were based on conveyor belts and based on these kind of big apparatuses that individuals were interacting with in the workplace every day. And so I think you can kind of see roller coasters as, in some way, both a mechanism to get people used to, these big industrial apparatuses, and also, I think, maybe on a more positive side, a way for people to try to come to terms with, this big, scary technological thing in their lives.
Let's look at the positive side for a moment. Anticipation is our greatest strength because it's not tied to our present. It's all about the future. Our brains can come up with endless possibilities, which can be delightful and